Hi students. Okay, so you just watched the Math Antics video that refreshed you on finding the area, circumference for a circle. Today you're going to be working on some real life problems with circles. Lots of multiplying going on. So working with circles. You have a recipe for a round 8-inch pizza. When they tell you the measurement of a pizza, that's the diameter. But you want to make enough pizza for your round 16-inch pan. If you double the recipe, will it be enough to fill the pan? Seems like it makes sense, because if you double 8, you would get 16. But we're not looking at diameter here, right? We're looking at, will it be enough to fill the pan? So we want to know how much space, or what's the area of our pan. So here's our 8-inch pan. Find the area of the small pizza. So area equals pi r squared. So we have pi times, did I trick you? Hopefully not. It's not 8, it's 4. 4 times 4. On my calculator. 3.14 times 4 times 4. 50.24 inches squared. Then the area of our larger pan, we have pi times, our radius is now 8. 8 times 8. So 3.14 times 8 times 8. We have 200.96 inches squared. So when we doubled the diameter of our pan, what happened to the area? Well, we went from about 50 to about 200. 200 is 4 times 50. Why did the area get 4 times bigger instead of 2 times bigger? Well, roughly, if you were to draw on 2 circles that had a diameter of 8, you can see right away 2 of those are not going to fill that whole pizza plate. If we look at our formula, we did pi times 4 times 4. Over here we did pi times 8 times 8. Well, if we wanted to change this formula to look like this, we know 2 times 4 gives us 8. So this is a 2 times 4, and this is a 2 times 4. So pi times 4 times 4. But then this is times 2, and that's times 2. So you have an extra times 2, which makes it 4 times bigger. Don't worry about that too much. We'll talk about that more on Monday. But be careful when you're talking about, did the diameter double? Then what happens with the area? So answer the question in a sentence. If you double the recipe, will it be enough to fill the pan? If I double the recipe, it will not be enough to fill the pan. What do we have to do the recipe? We will have to make 4 batches or quadruple it. So what's our scale factor? Our scale factor would be 4, what we multiply by. We need to quadruple the recipe to fill the 16-inch pan. 4. The world's tallest Ferris wheel is in Okinawa, Japan. It stands 369 feet tall and has a diameter of 328 feet. Find the circumference of this Ferris wheel. We draw a little picture. I know, can't draw. It stands 369 feet tall. Picture. Let's see if we can zoom in. 369 feet tall. And the diameter, the distance across, is 328 feet. Find the circumference. So we know circumference is c pi times diameter. So it looks like this 369-foot question, or word number, is in there to throw us off. So we need to do 328 feet. So 3.14 times 328. .14 times 328, 1,029.92 feet. So if you were going to ride that crazy tall Ferris wheel and you went all the way around, how far would you travel? Well, 1,000 feet, approximately. That's pretty cool. Alright, the back's for you to complete. It is due Monday if you do not finish in class. See you then.